Research has repeatedly shown that the best way to protect your growing baby is to protect yourself by wearing a properly positioned safety belt every time you're in a car or truck. To avoid injuring yourself and your baby, the seatbelt must be properly fastened. The seatbelt should be a 3-point restraint, that means it should have a lap strap and a shoulder strap. Secure the lap belt under your belly, low and snug on your hip bones. Never wear the belt across or above your belly. During a crash, the sudden jolt from a belt in this position could cause the placenta to tear away from the uterus or cause other injuries. If you're wearing a winter coat or heavy sweater that makes the seatbelt slide up on your belly, consider removing your outerwear once it's warm inside the car. There are now seatbelt positioning being sold for use in pregnancy. I will leave a link in the description box below. You can get a cheap and reliable ones on Amazon.